Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality profile backlink. So the website name is La Raison Views Donne La Parle. So this site is a French based site. So if you can create your backlink in this website, so most probably you can get the chances to increase the traffic from the France country and the crawlability. So that's why and how you can consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so before this started we can do some research. So according to HREF, this website domain authority is domain rating is 82, and if you can check the spam score of this website, so according to Moj, this website domain authority is 60, spam score is only 2%, so it is considerable. So now we're going to start. First thing, why these things are happen. This site can't be reached. Okay. I by mistake I turned on my VPN, so that's why these things are happen. So okay, once we can research this website authority. After, what we can do, you can click on the sign up button. There you can put your name. So my company name is DML Training. Then after, you can put your email address, then you guys will choose your password. So I can going to prefer the strong suggested password. That's capital, then 123, whatever I can insert. Then after, you can acknowledge the terms and condition. After, you can click on the sign up button, then click and continue. So this site will send you the activation code over your Gmail address. So you can open your Gmail address. So I received, you can copy this code and you can paste it here. After, you can click on the verify button. So you can see our account is successfully verified. Now you can click on the your username drop down and click on the my account. First, we can go to upload the profile picture. Click on the choose file button. After, you can upload your profile picture. Here you can, if you're wanting, so you can change or update your name. So this is your username URL. After, you can put your website URL here.
This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
Then after, you can put it to your website URL here, and after, you can add some description about your website or your company. Once you guys will complete these things, then after, you can click on the update account button. So you can see account is successfully updated. Now you can click on the drop down, click on the my public profile, and you can copy the URL from the your username. Copy this, then you can open in incognito, so you can verify this is 100% approved backlink or not. So you can see this is my website logo, company name, description, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% no follow backlink, but the thing is, you created your backlink and the profile on the authoritative website, and also this site is operating in different region. So chances is you can increase your brand mentioning and the crawlability from there. Okay, so overall this is the process. So how you can create your backlink in this website. So there is also some kind of a community. So let's open this and we can explore what is it. So you can see they have published some blogs. Okay, so all metrics, all proposals. Let's open this proposals, blogs, comments. So if you're wanting, so you can also create your comment backlink from this website. So let's create the comment backlink for this for my any article or anything. So I just published this article. So let's create the comment backlink for this, and let me put the URL here. After, you can click on the send button. So this is instant approved a comment backlink website. So if you're wanting, so you can also create your comment backlink from there. So from there you can create a multiple comments backlink. So overall, this is the process. So how you can create your profile backlink in this website and the comment backlink in this website. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys are wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. Okay, so okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.